Hi guys, Teacher from MS Hot Tips. Today a very simple tip to deal with the errors in Excel, and we're talking about numbers stored as text. So let's see what it is all about. I have a column with numbers that are unfortunately stored as text. That can happen when you get a data set from a report generating from another piece of software. What you want to do in that case is, instead of going, dealing with every cell at once, and accessing the context menu and doing convert to number, what you want to do, you want to deal with everything at once. So actually what you have to do in that case is just select the area by selecting the first cell, and then you drag it down to the last one in the list. And it's funny because I had a colleague recently who was really looking desperate because he was trying to do it cell by cell. So that's why I'm creating the video now. Yeah, so once everything is selected, it's only really just one click. So you're going to select that error box that just appeared, and you do convert to number, and as you can see, all of your previously wrongly stored numbers are really now appearing as numbers. So that's it for today. I hope this is clear, and don't hesitate to reuse that tip or to help your colleagues make the most of Excel. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.